Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel and you're also welcome back to my Python programming language tutorial. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button. Why today we are going to be working on Python variable naming system. Now when working on Python variable naming system, we have to consider the naming rules when working on Python variable naming system. So we have to be very careful and know what we are doing. So these are the rules and let's show you an example. So this is our Python idle, and to create a variable we have to assign a value. So x will be our variable and the value will be 20. Now let's use another value again. So we have age, okay, age, then car name. Oh, I think let me just use a simple value, so I will clean this off. So age will be equal to 28. Now that is our value for age. Now when working on numbers, you don't have to use string on numbers because it will turn the number into a text. So when you use string here, now if you print age, plus 28, now it will return a false value. Yes, it will return a false value because it is not a number, it is a text. So we'll be right back for a short break. Now you're welcome back. So we are seeing on our idle, now we have another value here, which is age is equal to then 28 and print. So if you tell Python to print 28 plus 28 for you, it is going to give us our answer. And if you say age plus 28, it will give us 56, the same value. Now we have our second one here. So we have a variable name cannot start with a number. That's true. When writing a variable name, you don't have to start your variable name with a number. So that is one of the naming rules of Python variable naming system. So now let's go on its example. So we have two fan. Let me just use as an example. So then is equal to, then you put a string. So a string Jamie Wilson. So Jamie Wilson, space and Wilson. Though string are written in quotes marks, and we also have different type of string. So when you click on enter, it will return an error because of the number. Now the second one there is a variable name must start with a letter or an underscore. So you can variable name must start with a letter. You don't start a variable name with a number. You start a variable name with an underscore or a letter. So here is the example. Now if I should write so if I should start with an underscore, then underscore and the name is equal to, you give a string. So we have Jamie Wilson, then you click on enter. When you click on enter, you tell Python to print the name, which is underscore name, which is the name of our variable, is equal to Jamie Wilson, and Python will print the value for you immediately. So a variable name must start with an underscore or a letter. Now this is an example of a letter. So when you use a name is equal to Jamie Wilson, then you click on enter, then you type print into brackets name is going to give us Jamie Grayson. So you can use an underscore and a name. Now the third one here is that it can contain only alphanumeric characters and underscores. So you can use an alphabet and a number together, and you can also use an underscore and an alphabet together. So now this will be the third example. So the third example here is we have the norm 1. So this is an alphanumeric variable, so which is 20. Then we click on enter. We also have print into brackets num1. You are telling Python to print the variable num1 times, because it is a number, times 30. So when you click on enter, it's going to give us the value to be 600. So that is an example of an alphanumeric type of variable. Now the fourth one here is that a variable names are case sensitive. Age, and age. Can you see there are different type of age? They have different meaning. There are 3 different variable. They are case sensitive. The small letter age and the one with the capital letter age are very different from each other. So here is an example. So we have our age, so in small letters, then a space, and is equals to 27. So 27 will be our value of the age with the small letter, and enter. So we use capital letter to write our age, so AGE with capital letter to give us 23. So now this is 23 for the one with the capital letter, and we have the one with only the one with the A to be the capital letter and the rest is small letter, so we give us 25. So can you see there are 3 different type of variable, but they only have the same meaning, but there are 3 different type of variable. So let's tell Python to print as its value. So print age, the first one, plus then the age with the capital letter, which is the second one, plus the one with the capital letter and the small letter to be the rest. Then you close it. It will give us 75 to be the approximation, or the addition of all the value. So now this is an example of case sensitive variable. So now this is how you work on Python variable, and with time I believe you become a pro when working on Python variables, and I believe with time and by now you should be able to know how to work on Python variables and also how to assign a value to Python. And this is the end of our video. And please, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please kindly subscribe, and if you really like this video, don't forget to click on the like button and also the bell icon where you'll be notified on our next video. And on our next video we are going to be working on Python if conditional. Don't miss it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.